All right, so this is my app.js Express router that I got to walk you through. And like uh up here at the top, we have all of our imports. We have our Express node package, unique middlewares, custom error handling, a post check function, and the dogs router. Here we have the instance of the Express router. This is the entry point for all of our middleware routes and security precautions. Uh, Here, we're using that instance to operate these middlewares, which do exactly what they say, gives it a unique ID, quit, uses next to pass to the next piece of middleware, logging operations for us to see requests coming, and then our security headers that we set along with our Express JSON, which parses everything coming in, and then our Express static, which puts up our uh, static files, pages, whatever it may be. We're doing our post check here to make sure if they send a post, it has all the proper headers as it is received. We're going to go into our middleware and actually look at that one. So here we're checking that if it's not a post, we use next to pass the request to the next piece of middleware or route. Otherwise, we're checking the content type to see if it is an application JSON. If it is not, we send the response status a bad request back with the error message, what the problem is. That way they have that information along with the request ID that it came in as. Then the magic of next, passing it on to the next piece of middleware. All right. So we come down after that, we then hit our router. In our router, we are targeting anything that has the lead of this. Localhost 3000 / is our index for this server. Upon hitting that, we then trigger this. What comes in here, any of these requests that come in, uh, /dogs, adopt. When we do adopt, if you notice, we have a post request right here. Post is for setting information into somewhere, whereas we have get, we are just requesting some sort of information. There are other methods that go along with these, but right now we're just using get and post. Um, we take the we don't need a request for the response. The initial target of hitting this endpoint is what is what triggers the request to send the response. Where the post is a little more different. We have to check and validate to make sure that all the information's there that we need to adopt this dog, hence name, email, and dog name. If none of those are there, we have or, so we need all three if none are there. Uh, if one of them is missing, I'm sorry, then we throw our validation error. If the dog does not exist in the database or it is not available, has already been asked to be adopted previously, we send back the not found error saying the dog is not found or available. After those two conditions, if everything is okay, we then send back a response with a 201. 200s are good responses. That's our okay. It has been, the request has been created. Message sent back letting them know the adoption request has been received and they will contact you via the email that you provided. We have a little bit of an error handling going on down here, just to catch somebody requesting an error for whatever reason. Then we export it. One of the big differences between our middleware and our routes is routes tend to be endpoints. Middleware handles everything going between the start of the request to your endpoint, then your response getting sent back. Um, oh, now we can run tests. Instead of going through Postman and setting up running all those tests manually, I'm just going to do npm let's find get status. Okay. Npm run tdd assignment 3a. All tests pass. Now we're going to run the test that actually pertains to the server I just showed you. That was previous assignment. I had to show that I passed that. Oh, my server wasn't open, but that's okay. It's just saying just detected the following on an open handle. It's just my server wasn't running when just operated, and it kind of needed to be, but it's okay because all 27 of my tests have passed. So all 36 in totality for lesson 3 passed, guys. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Oh, here we go.